Earlier this year, Hexagon acquired MicroSurvey, a longtime provider of survey software around the world. I'm at Hexagon 2012 with Darcy Detlor, president of MicroSurvey, part of Hexagon. And Darcy, what is new at MicroSurvey since Hexagon took over?
Well, actually, they acquired us because we were an operating company, we were making money, we were creating products, we had customers in over 100 countries, and they just recognized that adding the solutions that MicroSurvey is starting to provide into their breadbasket of products would help the company in general, and that's already starting to happen. We've got products we're introducing here at the show where we've got MicroSurvey running on Leica equipment, and we've got new controllers that Leica has just introduced here at the show, and MicroSurvey is already building for that. So nothing's really changed. MicroSurvey is going to continue to operate the same as it has for 25 years, but we now have a lot of avenues to expand. We have a lot more, of course, financial strength with Hexagon behind us. There's no doubting that that resources are not an issue anymore. We could certainly say that.
What about in terms of the distribution channel? I know in the past you guys have serviced surveyors directly. Will that change?
Yes, actually, we have started to expand around the world dealing with dealers and distributors, but we've recognized that specifically in the U.S. market, we will do better if we embrace dealers. So starting probably this month, we'll be transitioning so that we only sell our products through dealers in the U.S. market. I analyzed our sales in the U.S. and just recognized that although there's some risk to doing that, the risk definitely is I think, one that we're willing to take.
What about in terms of new products? Is MicroSurvey working on anything that we should be watching for in the near future?
Well, the big change at MicroSurvey is that we're now part of the Hexagon family. So Hexagon and Leica are giving us a lot of information that was not available, we'll say, to third parties. Really proprietary, really good information, so that we're starting to take advantage of everything that the equipment can do. And so we have Field Genius, MicroSurvey Field Genius running on the newer Leica Total stations here at the show. The other thing that we're doing is that the information that's been collected through Leica's equipment in the past is in a proprietary format, and we've now been given the secret sauce so that we can process the data from all the Leica equipment directly into our desktop products, and we could see the benefits to that right away. A few years ago, we purchased StarNet, which is probably the #1 least squares adjustment package in the world, and we've just finished writing a converter so that StarNet data can directly access Leica DBX format files. We think that's going to be a great benefit to Leica customers.
Okay, great. Thank you, Darcy.